Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, do not forget to subscribe down below. Also you guys, if you have been with me since day one, I wanted to tell you thank you so much for being here, for subscribing. Please don't be shy and leave me a comment down below so I know that you guys are there, so you can show me some love. And also, if you have an Instagram, please follow me on Instagram. I will be putting my username here down below, but just in case, it's AngieMoon0701, just like my YouTube name. Usually I post there every single day, random post. It could be about health. I'm doing a detox with Teamy, so I do update you guys on that. I do any random makeup looks, and if you guys love a makeup look that you see on Instagram and I have not done a tutorial on it, please just comment down below on my post and let me know when you want to see a specific look. I will be trying to post as many videos for you guys, so if you're ready to recreate this makeup look that I created today, please go ahead and keep watching. Alright my loves, we're gonna go right ahead and get started. You already know that I'm gonna be using Milani's Prime Light Primer. This primer is my ultimate favorite. I don't think I'm gonna change for now. It's one of the best drugstore primers. I highly suggest it for you guys. And now we're going to be using LA Pro Girls Orange Concealer. This concealer, I like to use it when I'm going out on a date with my husband, or when I'm having like my under eyes too dark. You could skip this step, but if you are going to use it, make sure that you wet your beauty blender and blend it out completely. Just take your time blending it out. As you can see here, it's the orange is a lot lighter. It does look like a lot, but it's gonna be covered. Okay, my love, so now for foundation, I'm using Wet n Wild's Photo Focus. I'm pretty sure you've heard a lot of YouTubers use this one when they're doing drugstore videos. This foundation is, I believe it's below $5. And they usually have it for buy one get one free at CVS, or you can use, you know, CVS coupons. It's very good. It blends out perfectly. I really love it. Here you can see me speeding up the video, but I truly took my time to blend it out completely so it can look nice and fresh and not cakey. Okay, my loves, for the second concealer, I'm using Maybelline's Fit Me Concealer. This concealer is pretty good. I was actually their biggest fan for the Maybelline Master Conceal, but I noticed that they stopped making it. This concealer here is pretty close to it. I don't mind it. It covers the orange very well. I like to put it on areas where normally you would contour and highlight. I just started practicing. If you do see that my technique is different, I am not an expert on contouring. So if you guys have your own special way of contouring and highlighting, please go right ahead and do it the way you know. But for those of you who want to follow my step, then you can go ahead and do it as well. Okay, now we're going to be using AirSpun's translucent powder. This translucent powder is the best. If you're going to go out and it's a really sunny day, it's hot out, and you know you're going to be sweating, I swear this powder is amazing. I use it all the time, even if I'm not going to be in the hot weather, because my makeup lasts a long time. And if you do see other YouTubers, I'm pretty sure you've seen them use it. Even if they use like the expensive type of makeup, I've seen them use this AirSpun translucent powder. It's just amazing. The smell, if you're not too good with smells, it's kind of flowery, but you kind of can get used to it. So yeah, I highly recommend this translucent powder. For the price, you cannot beat it at all. Alright my loves, now we're gonna get started with our bronzer. Here I'm using Wet n Wild's Queensland bronzer, and this one's actually from their Fire versus Ice Dragon collection. I got it off of their website. My husband actually got it for me for my anniversary. So I'm not exactly sure if they still have it, but if you go to wetandwild.com, I believe, you might find it on there. But if you don't, then any bronzer that you own, you can go right ahead and use that. What I do is I put it on my cheeks, my forehead, my nose, my chin, because I do have a double chin. And I try to contour with my bronzer. Again, if you have your own way of contouring, please go ahead and do it the way that you know. This is me. This is the way that it has worked for me. I'm not really an expert, like I said earlier, so yeah. So you will be hearing my son in the background. He is playing right now, very excited. So yeah. Okay, so now we're getting started with our blush. This one is Milani's Baked Blush. Oh my goodness, you guys, I love this blush so much because it's called Baked Blush because they have a highlighter, bronzer, and a blush all mixed in together, and it looks amazing on camera. When I take pictures, I absolutely love it and recommend it to you guys. Here I was thinking about it whether I should or not do it. So I decided to do it. I am gonna be using here Wet n Wild's highlighter, and I'm going over my cheekbones as I normally would. I was thinking about it because since the blush already has a little bit of highlighter in it, you know, but if you want to be a little bit more shiny and extra, then go ahead and do this step with me. Okay, so now we're getting started with Maybelline Soda Pop palette, and we're gonna get started with this shade up here called Tonic. You're gonna be applying it on your eyelid. It's sort of a base, and right under your eyebrow bone. I truly recommend this palette. I've tried all the colors and they're very pigmented, and it's an affordable price from the drugstore. And again, sorry, you are gonna hear my son in the background. Okay, so next we're going with this purple shade called Great Pop, and this shade we're actually gonna be applying it over our eyelid. Do not put it under your eyebrow bone. It's basically just over your eyelid, and obviously take your time blending it out. What I like to do is I do it in a wiping motion, kind of like to get it in the crease and also all over my eyelid. I love, as you can see, this was just one swipe and you can see the purple. I kept going over it so I can make it a little bit darker for my eyes. So yeah, so we're still working on the same exact eyeshadow. Besito.
Can't be seen on camera.
Just a little moment with my husband. Needed a kiss, of course. Okay, you guys, so now we're gonna be going into the shade Cherry on Top, and this one's kind of like a wine color, I would say, like a burgundy color. And I like to use this one for my crease, just to darken it up a little bit and give it a little bit more dimension. These two colors look very great. I know that one of them is purple and the other one is more of a burgundy, but as you can see, they complement each other very well. And you know, it kind of like I said, it gives it dimension. And yeah, take your time. You already know, you guys, that I always speed up my videos, but I truly just take my time and make sure that, you know, everything is blended well and perfectly. And you can see here that I'm liking how the color is so far, but I'm also adding a little bit more just to give it that little bit of shape towards the end, like a cat eye kind of. So yeah, so here I'm taking my mirror and I'm still going with that dark eyeshadow. It's pretty dark, so that's why I take my time. It's kind of like you're making your own little smoky eye, but with purple and burgundy. So that's what you want to do. You just want to take your time until you have your desired effect on your eye, if you get what I'm saying. But of course, you guys, if you have any questions at all, comment down below and I'll be glad to help you guys out. Okay, so now I'm taking this brush and I'm going back with the eyeshadow Great Pop, and I'm gonna basically be applying it under my waterline. It's just to give it a little bit more of a pop of color. I've been seeing lately some makeup tutorials and I love how when you add some color under your waterline, it just makes it more like dramatic and nice. If you do not like it too dramatic this way, you can definitely skip this step. But yeah, I'm pretty much just applying it under my waterline, and then of course I'm gonna go over the waterline with this black eyeliner. It's by NYX, and basically again, that's to make it more of a night look, like a date night look, and make it more dramatic. So if you do want to have more of a subtle look, then skip this step and do not do the waterline part. But if you want to be a little bit more daring and you know, look different, then go ahead and do this step with me, and I hope it works out for you guys. Again, if you have any questions at all, just comment down below and I am happy to help you guys. Also, I'm not being sponsored, you guys. Okay, now I'm going in with Wet n Wild's liquid eyeliner. This eyeliner is working so well, and I'm also using here ARDELL's number 252 eyelashes, and I'm going to be applying it off camera. Okay, so here I'm back and I'm showing you guys how it looks. And now we're going to work on our eyebrows. I like to use Maybelline's Brow Drama gel. This gel is amazing. It gives it a little bit of like a shape, and you know, I use the color light brown because my eyebrows are pretty dark and I don't draw them or anything, because for me it just doesn't work out when I do it. When I try to draw them, they just look kind of like I use a Sharpie in a way. But anywho, this brow gel is pretty good. Again, I'm using it in the color brown, and basically it's just to keep them in shape and keep them in place and give it a little bit of a shape and a little bit of color, just to give it kind of an illusion like if I draw them in, but not too strong. So if you barely have eyebrows, then go ahead and do your eyebrows the way you know. Okay, here we're ready for our lipstick. I am using Milani's Amore Matte Lipstick, and this one is in the color Pretty. It's a very, I would say, like a mauve-y pink. I love this lipstick because it doesn't transfer when I kiss my husband or when I'm eating. It doesn't smear all over the place. It stays in place and it lasts a long time. For its price, I highly recommend it. It's a drugstore product, so you guys already know. And here I'm showing you the finished look up close, just so you guys can have an idea of what it looks like. And here's a daily reminder to always smile, be goofy, have fun while you're doing your makeup. That's what I'm doing there. Now the last step is our setting spray. This one is by far my #1 drugstore setting spray that I love. It's by Milani. It's called Make It Last 3-in-1. It's super good, you guys. And now my famous slow motion for you guys to see the finished look. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below, show me some love, and let me know if you loved my makeup, if there's something you would change about it. Whatever you guys want to do, comment down below. Alright, my loves, I hope you enjoyed watching my video today. I will be doing as many voiceovers as I can. It's a little bit quicker and easier for me, but if you do want me to do a video, it's called Get Ready With Me. Usually what I do is I get ready with you guys, I talk to you, I give you a life update, I tell you step by step how to do the makeup. Or if you do love these voiceovers, these quick videos, also let me know, give me your feedback, comment down below so I know what you guys like the most. Also, for those of you who are new, I will be doing different videos, not just about makeup. So if you're not into makeup, please subscribe anyways, because I will be doing a lot of random videos. It could be giving you guys advice, giving you guys health advice, anything about life. So yeah, or maybe even challenges, depending on how much I grow my channel, I will be doing challenge videos. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy watching, and as always, you guys already know I love you guys. Thank you so much for your support. Mwah. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.